Hello, lovelies. This one's not going to be very long because it's been a long day and I'm tired, but I have figured out the beaded blanket. I have figured it out, I think. I'm only 4 rows of beads in, but so far as I can figure out, if you base it on half double crochets, do a solid line of half doubles after your foundation chain. I did 2 rows of half doubles, and then your row of beads I did 2 stitches for an edging. So I have 2 half doubles, and then you do a single crochet with the bead on your hook. I used a 5.5 millimeter for my half double crochets, and my pony beads fit a 3.5 millimeter. So it is working beautifully so far, and I had to share. Easy peasy. If I can do it, you can do it. We're all beginners at something. This is new to me, and I'm kind of excited about it. So I will be back on my channel with the completed project as soon as I complete it. Bye, lovelies. So I think I have this figured out. We do 2 rows with a 5.5 millimeter, and then the next row, the bead goes on, single stitch through the first loop, through the bead, through the second loop, half double crochet, then we put another bead on. Pull through the loop, single crochet, half double, so you end up with 2 rows of half doubles, and then a row of single stitch with bead, half double, 2 half doubles on the end. Easy peasy.